This is the Platte Cliffside entrance, or the western side. Start here, the trail moves up to your left. We're moving up to the mast and back over the other side, back up again and back out this gate. Okay, here's a split in the road. We're taking the Nduli route, the steeper one up. Well, the paths are nice, you can almost push a pram on you. Here the steep bit of the trail starts. Now we're near the northern end of the reserve, looking back towards Lion's Head, Table Mountain, and the Cape Flats in the distance, and we are heading for the actual hill up here.
Beautiful!
Here the Nduli merges with the Watsonia trail. And the view back towards Table Mountain. I don't know if you can see this, it's just another picnic spot lower down for a nice picnic on a good day. Today's a bit windy. And here's the hill we're going up. This uphill's quite steep and the weather's a bit miserable today. A bit of a southeaster blowing. This is the main picnic area with a stunning view of Table Mountain in the background. On a nice day it's awesome to sit here. Come up with the whole family, the kids in prams. Really worth a while. I don't think it's much better than this. The path back down. Guinea fowl and noisy guys. A sight we see more and more in Cape Town nowadays. Game right on our doorstep.